How to change CapCut Caption font. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change font of your CapCut Caption after you created the caption. So the first thing to do, now here is my caption. If I want to change the font of the caption, so the first thing I could do, I'll just select all the caption. After you highlight all the captions, then you go to this option, text. Under the text, so you have this where it says font. So now you click on this font button. So here it will give you all different fonts that you could be able now to use for your CapCut. So you go ahead now and choose the one that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one. So anyone that you selected, it will give you the highlight in this option. So let's say I want to use, let's say scroll to down and choose the one that you want to use. So for me, let's say I want to use this one. So I want to use this one. So after you select the text, as you can see now, it will just give you the preview in this option. So the next thing, if you want to change the template, you can click on this option now. You can see different fonts if you want to use them. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.